Are you ready to elevate your Ford F-150 experience? Welcome to the ultimate showdown of the best tonneau covers available today. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver, the right tonneau cover can transform your truck, enhancing its functionality and style. In this video, we'll unveil the top contenders that combine unbeatable durability, sleek design, and effortless installation. Discover how these incredible options provide unparalleled protection against the elements while maximizing your truck's cargo space. Say goodbye to flimsy covers and hello to robust reliability. Join us as we dive deep into features, benefits, and real user reviews that will help you make the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this essential guide for every F-150 owner. Number 7. Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The best tonneau cover for your Ford F-150 2015 to 2025 with a 5 feet 5 inches bed. Crafted with a premium aluminum frame and powder-coated matte black finish. This cover combines durability with sleek aesthetics. The panels are constructed from EnduraShield, an advanced automotive-grade polymer designed to resist dents, scratches, and fading, ensuring that your truck bed looks great for years to come. Even in the hottest climates, the intuitive design makes it incredibly simple to use. Just fold it up with ease or lock it securely in place with the convenient clamps. Need full access to your bed? No problem. The tonneau cover can be removed in seconds without the need for any tools or drilling. With an extreme seal to keep out bad weather and a tension system that guarantees a snug fit. This hard shell cover not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also adds functionality. Elevate your Ford F-150 with the Tonneau Hard Shell Tonneau cover today. Number 6. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 owners, including Raptor models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, crafted from durable aluminum. This tonneau cover boasts a tough exterior with a sleek, low-profile design that fits flush with your truck bed, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Installation is a breeze. It can be done in under 30 minutes without any tools or drilling. The Gator EFX is engineered for maximum protection, featuring heavy-duty panels that lock securely when closed. It's scratch-resistant. UV protective powder coat finish ensures your cover remains in pristine condition, while the innovative water management system keeps rain, snow, and dirt at bay with its unique seal design, whether you're hauling equipment or leisure gear. The Gator EFX Hard Trifold is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for F-150, providing superior security and protection for your truck bed. Upgrade your Ford F-150 with this stylish and functional cover today. Number 5. Karmacar Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover for the 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 is the ultimate addition for your pickup. This high-quality folding cover features a smooth exterior finish and a robust fiberglass reinforced top skin, ensuring it stands up against dents, scratches, and UV rays for long-term durability. With its innovative 3-panel design, you can effortlessly access your truck bed with both front opening and rear fold-up capabilities, complemented with a bolt lock that matches your ignition key for added security. Installation is a breeze. You can have it ready in under 30 minutes without any tools or drilling required, fitting flush with your truck bed for a sleek, low-profile look. The Karmacar tonneau cover is the perfect choice for those seeking the best tonneau cover for F-150, combining exceptional quality and functionality, plus with a 1-year customer service guarantee. Investing in this cover means peace of mind while enhancing the style and protection of your Ford F-150. Upgrade your truck today and enjoy the benefits of a reliable and stylish tonneau cover. Number 4. Rough Country's Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover is the ultimate accessory for your Ford F-150 2015 to 2024, making it the best tonneau cover for F-150. Crafted from high-quality marine-grade vinyl with a stylish matte black finish. This cover not only looks great, but also offers exceptional weather resistance. The roll-up design provides quick access to your cargo, allowing full bed usage in seconds. Built to last, its corrosion-resistant black powder-coated aluminum frame and spring latch closure system keep the cover secure and noise-free. With versatile driving options, whether fully open, partially open, or closed, you can easily adapt to your needs. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling and coming with all necessary tools. For added security, the nylon safety straps ensure stability during use. Plus, Rough Country backs this product with a limited 5-year replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind with every mile. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with this reliable tonneau cover that simplifies your hauling experience while keeping your belongings protected. Number 3. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for Ford F-150 owners looking for the best tonneau cover for F-150. Crafted with heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, this cover boasts a dual-coated design that's remarkably durable. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide stability when laid flat, while allowing full bed access by rolling up with the tarp. The aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps ensure a secure and easy installation process, needing no drilling. Plus, the Velcro strip seals on the sides and the latch lock system at the tailgate keep your cargo safe. The adjustable tension system means you can keep the cover tight and wrinkle-free despite harsh weather conditions. Installation is hassle-free with all necessary hardware included, though minor adjustments may be required for over-the-bedrail bed liners. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, Tiger Auto T1 ensures peace of mind, making it an essential addition to your Ford F-150 or Lightning from 2021 to 2025. Upgrade your truck's functionality and protection today. Number 2. Bistwill Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150, including Raptor/Lightning, owners seeking convenience and protection. Designed for easy installation, you can secure it in just 30 to 60 minutes. Following the provided video instructions. Once installed, watch as the cover automatically retracts into its housing upon unlocking. No side handle required. Its innovative 3-position hover feature allows seamless loading of oversized items, while the robust aluminum construction and wide rails ensure unmatched protection against the elements. The matte black finish not only enhances the truck's aesthetics, but also features an effective water management system for leak-proof performance. Plus, with a Trax rail system for scale and compatibility with additional accessories, it's a versatile investment with Bistwill's commitment to customer satisfaction. You can enjoy worry-free service from a trusted brand with over 11 years of experience. Elevate your truck game with the Bistwill Retractable Tonneau Cover, the best tonneau cover for F-150 enthusiasts. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is the best tonneau cover for your 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150, including Raptor and Lightning models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. This sleek cover combines style and functionality, boasting a stylish matte finish that protects against marks, scratches, and UV damage. Made in the USA with durable aluminum panels, the MX4 guarantees ultimate security as its panels automatically latch when partially or fully closed, locking completely once the tailgate is secured. Its innovative design ensures 100% bed access, allowing you to operate the cover in various configurations without blocking the third brake light. Plus, thanks to the upgraded perimeter seals and hardware, you'll experience exceptional performance and durability. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish tonneau cover that offers both protection and access, the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is your perfect match. Protect your cargo while enhancing the look of your truck with this top-of-the-line tonneau cover. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your F-150 can enhance both functionality and style, with a variety of options available. Consider your specific needs and preferences to make the right choice. Whether you opt for hard, soft, or retractable covers, investing in quality will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy truck owning!